Last year, I was lucky to have a fellowship in the States for 4
Yes,
months.
that's right.
Yeah, so I was in Yale for 4 months. And doon ko nakita, like I got perspective, which is sobrang ganda ng Pilipinas. We're so much better than where we think we are. Kasi I had classmates from countries where they had civil war. I had co-fellows from countries where they're on the verge of becoming autocratic. Yung mga magiging new leaders nila will disallow women from going to school, will disallow women from having work. Ganyang level of intensity yung mga problema nila. Nakita ko, our country, kumbaga mas maraming mga bansa na mas maraming problema sa atin. Ang laki ng potential natin. But, hindi natin maabot-abot yung potential natin. Which kinda makes it more masakit. It's not nakawawa tayo, it's that magaling tayo pero hindi natin maabot yung totoong kagalingan natin. Being outside, looking in, talking to a lot of Filipinos there abroad who had left the country, who want to go home, para makikita mo na hindi ka pa pwede mag-give up. There's that final step, that final transformation, that final renewal where we can actually, yung makakaangat talaga tayo.
Yeah.
Parang I still want to be part of that. I still want to contribute to that.